Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about Google Maps AI update, new features, improve your navigation experience. Right here, I'm currently inside Google Maps, which is specific address to Space Needle coming from Espresso Vivace or Vivace, Capitol Hill. Right here, as for the previous videos I've made inside Google Maps, if you want for immersive view, you're gonna have it right there. Simply click on this part right here to enter immersive view. So basically, what is immersive view? It's gonna be an aerial view of your location. As you can see right here, currently in time it's raining in this area. And right there, it gives you a bird's eye view of what you're expecting and what to see on your area, so you don't have to get lost anymore. Also, if you click on the play button right here, it gives you a real run-through on how to get on the Space Needle coming from Espresso Vivace. What I love about this one is you'll see on the screen that it's really raining. On the right side right there, over here, you can check the time of the day, change it. For example, as you can see right here, even the temperature is right there. How awesome is that, right? Again, I have a complete tutorial about this one on my videos regarding immersive view and other Google Maps tips and tricks. Now, to be honest, the topic for this video is going to be another Google AI images or Google AI features inside Google Map. Now, for example here, rather than checking the addresses, rather than checking everything Google Map, what if I type something, things to do on a Friday night? And this is what I have. Based on my location, Google Maps give me a result on what's the best thing to do on a Friday night based on where I am right now. So these are going to be the suggestions given, of course, by Google Map. You can filter them by top rated, open now, and basically you have wheelchair accessible entrance, which is pretty awesome, given that that is going to be a really important thing to take note of. Now for the next feature, what if we change our question? We go for places with a speak easy vibe. Right now we're talking about vibe anymore. It's just not anything to do. Now right here, you're gonna have different things to go through to get that speak easy vibe. You can have your location, the common information. However, on the lower section here, for example, you choose one restaurant, right? Let me just go here again, enter right there, and then choose one restaurant, for example. You can reserve a table from this option. You can check the updates of the restaurant. You can check the photos, the about, the reviews, of course, is going to be here. You can filter them by relevance, newest, and highest. And the lower section right here, if you're going to have the Gemini Pro, which is going to be the paid subscription for the Google, if you just scroll your mouse or even your phone in the lower section, right under here, beside Ask the Community, you can ask Google what's the best occasion, what's the best time to go here, what are the bad traits of this restaurant. You can directly ask Google here or Google Gemini if you have the paid subscription and just have a chat of Google Gemini regarding this specific restaurant. How awesome is that, right? So you don't have to call in, you don't have to check every reviews from 1 star to 5 star. You can really check and talk to Gemini and ask about the restaurant. And for this one, before we wrap things up, just an additional information for you. For example, I have set a destination. Pickup is Boston, and end terminal is going to be Terminal A for the international airport. If I click on here, I zoom it in just for discussion purposes, you're going to see specific directions on where to go through. You don't have to gauge. For example, you know specifically the buildings, the curve, the name of the locations. You're going to have everything you need here. Also, if you click on preview right there, which is going to be this one, you're going to have a very specific guide. For example, head northwest, and then after that one, you go on this street, go on that street, so you don't have to ask your directions from people near that area. You can also have the ETA, the estimated time of arrival for this one, which is going to be, as you can see right there, fastest route is 10 minutes. It's actually really awesome. You can also check everything. For example, there's going to be a construction worker or construction inside here. You can have a preview real time on what's happening to your directions. Those are going to be the important updates inside Google Maps. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.